West Street and we're going to go explore the Khan al-Khalili Bazaar. We are in Tahrir Square.
We're off to the Egyptian Museum. Arrived just in time because artifacts are leaving this museum and going into the Grand Museum.
This place is huge.
We are in a traditional Egyptian restaurant. called al-Futuh. It's absolutely beautiful. We've got a load of food. We've got lamb kofta, we've got an old Egyptian restaurant meal, chicken in, tahini, bread. We've got some bread and dips coming. Absolutely delicious.
Today we're on a tour of the pyramids and we're down in Dashur. We're just about to go in the Red Pyramid.
We are inside the Red Pyramid. So we're at the Bent Pyramid, and this is 4,600 years old, and it still has the smooth surface on the front, which is amazing. What king was it, Christopher?
King Sneferu, 3rd dynasty.
We think it's Sneferu.
Out of breath. Well, finally to the center of the inside of the Bent Pyramid, which is home to thousands of bats.
I survived because I didn't go in. We are in Memphis. We are on the Giza Plateau of Khufu's pyramid.
Found a nice quiet little spot in the eastern cemetery of Giza. behind me, the Great Pyramid, Khufu. Going to see the Great Sphinx. Oh, I just tripped up. But we're still going to go see the Great Sphinx. To Egypt.
And one tip we have would be to learn a little bit of Arabic.
Especially if you're going to visit the bazaar or the pyramids.
So our first one was ahlan, which is hello, and then you have shukran and la shukran, which is thank you and no thank you, perfect for the bazaar markets.
And el salam alaikum, which means peace be upon you.
Have a good time.